Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I'm with you every morning for the opening and closing bell. Very often the earnings reports, pre-market and aftermarket as well. We're the most engaging, loyal, dependable, honest YouTube channel there is, and honestly, I'll tell you that, and all our members will tell you that as well. We've raised over $1 million for our members here in charity events in this studio, on my main Martyn Lucas channel, and live here in the Day Trader studio as well. We've supported people, we've helped people grow their portfolios. We give cash prizes away nearly every day. Today is one of those days. It's cash giveaway plus one of our silver members. Right after the cash giveaway, we're doing a fundraiser for our friend Zach in Uganda. As a silver member, just for a few bucks a month, he gets a fundraiser gig where he gets all the money that we've raised and that we're going to raise today on the show. It's amazing. So everything you see here is real. This is all my money in the world. This is all I have other than a few $1,000s in the bank. And I mean a few, literally 3 or 4, paying the daily payments for, you know, the electric and so on. I live here in this studio. This is my full-time gig. The money you see on the screen is my real portfolio. And let's get straight into the trades and see what's up, what's down, what we're trading today. That's what we're doing. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. It's Cash Giveaway Friday. We do it every Friday. Most days we have cash giveaways, but today is the one we always do. And we've got a $1,000 cash giveaway coming up soon as well. $1,000 and 500 Dogecoin on Monday. Excuse me. Now I'm awake. There we go. Let's go straight into the trades and see what's going on. My portfolio is down very slightly, hardly anything at all. Pretty flat the last couple of days. My S&P 500 is slightly up, which is very nice indeed. I'm moving more and more into that momentous. We made some money yesterday. with Momentous linked to Starlink SpaceX. What did I do yesterday? I bought in at 4.16 and sold at 4.27. Bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, I bet you found that most entertaining. All right. Okay, we got 15 people watching, 15 likes. There you go. Told you what I mean. The most loyal, dependable team on YouTube. One of our sponsors is here this morning. Nudge It, Budget Move It. It's because of him and our members we exist. These live shows do not make me rich at all. These live shows are all about the community, and our members are the ones that fund all this and keep it all going. So we appreciate you very much indeed. As much as I would love to sit here every day for free, and I pretty much do, without your membership, I would not be able to do it at all. So I appreciate it very much indeed. It enables us to do this. All right, okay, so we've got in the house right now, we've got Muzanella, one of our biggest traders, gives great tips, great advice. One of our friends, one of our gold members is here. Mike, okay, now let me show you. I've got 9 people that took part in the 5 video cash giveaway. 5 people, but only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you actually qualify for the giveaway. So 1 in 5 chance this morning of winning the cash prize for our 5 video cash giveaway. I gave you 5 videos, 5 views, 5 comments, 5 likes, and we've got several people here on 4 not completing the 5th, and all of it was in our Discord in the competition channel. All of it was there to tell you by midnight last night. So there we go. It's a very good chance. I know I did. Mark Korn, you did. Yep, you know you did, because I replied saying 5 out of 5. I'll be alerting all of you in a minute to who got 5 out of 5. So 1 in 5 chance. You can't enter now. It's too late. That's done. I will share with you, look, we've now got in the Discord a competition channel. See it here? Competition. You click on here, it told you the rules, the videos, the 5 videos, what you had to do, blah, blah, blah. There it is. We now have a competition channel. So every time I do a competition channel, a competition. It goes in the competition channel, and there it is. So you can see exactly. All right. When I go live, YouTube live, there you go. I've just gone live. You can see that there. Look. What else is new in the channel right now? General chit chat. We got a general chit chat post, have we? Rob McLean has just come in. Tip bot edit most likely 100% Dogecoin. What's all that about? Having a little conversation there. Oh, Peru. Tip. Bot edit most likely 100% going to affect Dogecoin Twitter integration. He's replying to Rob McLean. There you go. Anyway, we'll come back to that shortly. Phil Larson, we just got a new subscriber. We're getting closer and closer and closer now to our 3,000 by Monday. Peru extended it to Monday. It has to be, he can't extend it again, because that's when we're giving away, or not giving away, 500 Dogecoin. We're now at 2,758. It's our fastest ever week for subscribers. If we hit 3,000 by Monday, opening bell, we're giving away 500 Dogecoin. It's possible. We're gaining speed every single day. And I put out yesterday 15 videos and 2 lives to drive it up as quick as I can. I'm doing everything I can to give you the 500 Dogecoin. Right, let's go back to it. Welcome, Phil. Let's see if Phil comes into the live show. All right, there you go. Hey, Zach. Welcome. All I did that, Ali, I did that too. I did more than 7 out of 5. Ali, you've only done 4. You didn't do the 5 I set you. Ali, you did comment on a lot of videos, but not the 5 I asked you to do. All right, it's in the competition. It tells you the 5 videos. It wasn't just any 5 videos. There were 5 videos you needed to watch. No, wait, seriously, Ali, you've got 4 out of the 5. All right, I'm going to bring it up on the screen right now. I've been holding back. 100%. There you go. Look. Zach's got 5. Ali got 4. Beetle Sean, 4. Mark Corn, 5. Matthew Stevenson, 5. Mike, 4. Mike commented to about 10 videos, but he didn't do the 5 we set off. All right? The 5 that you were challenged to do. Nudge It Budget did 5. Bill did 5. Simon Jones did 3. So there's 9 of you, but only 5, I think only 5 have done it. And I've checked. It's all automated. It's all set. I double check everything. I did all the ones you posted. No, you didn't. You did 4. If you look in the competition, you will see. Look, if you go to here, you will see. It's probably, I don't know, I can't tell you without checking now which one you didn't do, but there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. There was one which this one here, which had a couple of videos which looked the same, but it was this video. That's why it's posted here. That's why it's in the community tab as well. We also share it in the community tab, and you also got emailed it. Here on the YouTube channel, get to the naughty corner. Look, here in the community tab as well. Here's the community tab. For members and non-members it went out. And the members get emailed with the 5 videos. You actually got, look, a link with 5 videos in your email. So there you go. All right. Couldn't make it clearer. So there you go. I just want to be absolutely clear, because we're about to give away $1,000, so it's going to get quite serious, so we have to do it properly. Let's look at all the comments and get some funny comments here. I did all the ones you posted. That's it. I'm kicking off. Get to the naughty corner. I bet you $10 I did. I bet you $10 you didn't, because I checked everything. It's all automated. It's all in the analytics. And I double check everything. I think on the phone it does not show the 5 videos together on your channel. I think on the phone it does not show the 5 videos together on your channel. I think on the phone it does not show your 5 videos together on the channel, not Discord. It's in the email, it's in the community tab, and it's in the Discord, and it's also on the homepage of the YouTube channel, because if you look, I said the 5 videos. I gave you the 5 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, behind the screen. Here, look. 5, 5, 5. You might have to click the arrow. You know, I don't know how your phone's displaying it, but it's right there. But the point is, I gave you all the links, right? And it's in the Discord. That's why we've started the Discord. I just checked them. Did you just check them? Did you check all 5? 100% did. All right, Ali. If you are 100% certain, I will double check. But I know you haven't done all 5. I know you haven't done all 5. But because we've got a bit of time here right now, fight. I will do it. But I'm going to have to open and leave them open. Otherwise, I'll destroy my own video. All right? I'll destroy my own video. Here's number 1. Did you comment to this one? I'm going to do it right now, look. All right? I'm going to do it right now. Did you comment to this one? Let me show you. We've got time, so I've got time for a minute. Here we go. Here's video number 1. Is there an Ali comment in there? And also, did you watch the whole thing as well? That's the other thing as well. Right, so there you go. Looking at this first video. No Ali comment on this first video. Sort by newest. That's why I double check everything. All right. There you go. Oh, there you go. No, you've commented on this one. Right, you've commented on this one. You commented on this one 16 hours ago. And it's not had a reply. It's not had a reply from me. So that one has come through the system. You are absolutely right. There is a video. There is one that has not had a reply from me. He's absolutely right. 16 hours ago. He's absolutely right. One has got through there. 5 out of 5. See, you missed it. 5 out. I have to accept that. 5 out of 5. There we go. It wasn't replied to, which means it wasn't checked. Ali gets 1 extra point. He's now in. Does anybody else feel they haven't got all 5 videos? I probably got held up because it was the same comment. 20 press ups. Yeah, right. Not today. So I apologise for that. What did Peru do? What did Peru do? Vicky, what's the question? I'm not sure what the question is. What is your question? We're talking about a cash giveaway today. Does anybody else feel, Beetle Sean, Mike, do you feel that you didn't do all 5? If you want me to do a recheck, I will check, because I just checked it for Ali. There you go. Ali's now in. Check them live. I didn't. I will send. All right. There you go. No problem. The Beatles wrote a song about me. I'm a loser. I'm a loser. I know the one you mean. Great song. See, you missed it. Yeah. 20 press ups. What did Peru do? What is the question, Vicky? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Is Vicky one of our members? Vicky's a guest. We got a guest here today. Everybody please welcome Vicky in. Welcome, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. This is my TV studio where we've raised over $1 million for our members on my music channel, the main music channel. And we trade every day here on the Day Trader, and it's cash giveaway today. We do cash prizes nearly every day, but today we have 2. We have double prizes today, plus our fundraiser today coming up Mike, if you feel that you've done all 5, remember it had to be my midnight last night, which was 7 hours ago. So, sorry, it was by 6 o'clock this morning, so that's midnight my time. So if you believe that you commented on all 5 videos, watched all 5 videos, liked all 5 videos by an hour and 50 minutes ago, I will double check. Peru did voodoo. Peru made Ali go on the mic. Yes, he did. That was a lot of fun. Vicky wants to know why I posted I hate Peru. Oh, yeah. Yes, it was funny. We gave $100 away, Vicky, because Ali came online. How many did the 5? 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 1, 2. Let me share with you. Here we go. How many did the 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. 6 out of the 9. 9 people took part. 9 people took part. And 6 got 5 out of 5. So only those 6 will be in the draw. All right, for the cash giveaway. We're doing prizes like this now all the time. So I want to draw everyone's attention now to the 6, to the competition channel. All right, on Discord. Here is the competition channel. All members can see this. This gives the rules. This gives the links. This gives everything. All right. And from now on, I will post who is in the draw before. So you'll all know who's in ahead of schedule as well. All right. So we've got all that completely clear. So if you feel that you've been missed out or something's gone wrong, you can let me know ahead of time and I can check it. All right, brilliant. Let's look at the portfolio. Now we're losing a bit this morning, only down 0.5%, but nevertheless. VU, we got 8 minutes to go. How many have we got? Smash the like button. Yes, let's have a little look. How many have we got now? 14 likes. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. Smash the like button. There we go. It's the big cash giveaway every Friday coming up. Plus, we have Zach's fundraiser today. Zach's fundraiser will be right after the cash giveaway. All right after the cash giveaway on my music channel. Here is the Day Trader. You scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel and you find the Development Alert Uganda. Here it is. We've got 18 likes on it now. If you've not yet liked this video, like and set the reminder so you don't miss it. It's a 20-minute event. It happens today. Here it is. We've got 19 likes on it now. Let me post it 3 times. We're going to raise money today for Zach. The money goes directly to Zach in Uganda. You saw what it did the other day. All those kids, we bought all those kids pens and books for their school. It was amazing. Absolutely amazing. So what you do is you click reminder. There's a reminder button on the screen after the trailer. You can click reminder and you can make sure that you are there, set in for the show. All right, there's a reminder button right there. You click it, reminder. All right. Yeah, there's 19 likes on it now. It's going to be a big day today. It's one of our live, it's our first live fundraiser directly from the Day Trader. We've been doing fundraisers now for about 2 years on the Martyn Lucas channel, but directly live. We did Bill's fundraiser, but that was at a theatre. This is directly live with you, all of you. All right, so it's going to be great. Right, we're slightly down at the moment. Let's have a look. What is losing ground this morning? Momentous is 434. It's down today. I sold it at 427. Bought at 416. Made a profit on it. And if it drops back down again, I will do it. Rinse and repeat. All right. I see my mistake now. I did not check Discord. That's okay. Well, the Discord is a new thing. We've just added it. We added it last night before the competition closed, so all of you could go and check. But look, what we do from now on, competition, follow this channel. At the top of the channel, you can ring the bell. See up here? I don't know if I can show you on the screen. Yeah, there it is. You can follow this channel. Look, all the channels you can follow and be notified on. And I tagged everybody, every member in it. Every member you were tagged. Did you all notice there was a little notification on your Discord app telling you that I tagged everyone in this post? And how you do that is you type @ everyone, and everyone gets tagged. All right, I can send everyone a message and go, look, this is really important. You don't want to miss this. These are the 5 videos. These are the rules. That way, you never miss anything, because I don't want you guys missing anything. All right. Okay. You just mentioned Cash App. What about Cash App? Let's have a look. I've just received we're looking at Cash App right now. I've just got a notification. What is my notification? Let's have a look. Incredible, Ali. That is incredible. We've already got our first donation for Zach's event this afternoon. We've already got our first donation for Zach's event this afternoon. Well, this morning, this evening, whichever you like. Shall I show you? Just coming from Ali. Look at this. $26.09. That's because he sent it in pounds. Let me just qualify that. He didn't send 26.09 cents. He sent whatever it was, and that's what it came into. There's our first donation of the day for Zach's event. Amazing. Zach, he's going to be so chuffed. So now, more importantly, we're going to be chuffed to help all those kids, right? So I need to now add that to the list. So I double check all of this. 26.09, and that's from Ali. Okay, brilliant. You're off to a great start, Zach. It hasn't even started yet. It hasn't even started yet, and you're off to a good start. I can't believe it. Really, really great. Really, really great. There you go. Anyway, back to the trades. We're waiting to re-enter Momentous. We are just 3 minutes to go. It's a big day here. It's a big day here. It is. It's a big day. We got great stocks opportunities. We got the big fun. We got the two cash giveaways today on the show. If you're watching over on YouTube, thanks for the follow. Can I have some cash? Yes, all our members can win money. Nearly all our members have won money. It's all I hear on YouTube. YouTube.com/thedaytrader. Sorry, YouTube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile. It's right there. Links in the profile. All the links, the all links button, or behind the Instagram, there's the YouTube link. It's all there for you. We're here on YouTube right now. We have an angel investor. We give money away nearly every day to our members. But I'll tell you, if you just want to come in and get free money, it doesn't work that way. Everyone who wins free money and gets love, support, top tips to make money on stocks and shares is a member of our channel. They watch our show every day. They're our family. We don't just give. Someone doesn't just come in and we go, "They ask free money." We're not a scam channel or a joke channel or a lunacy channel. We're a generous channel, but it's for our members who watch. So you have to watch. You have to be part of the community. All right, I get that asked. I get asked it all the time. Can I come in your channel and just get free money? Well, yeah, but you have to be a member. You have to be part of the channel. Today is the great day. I made a lot of money. I bought SST 2 days ago, and today is just sold it. You made some money. Great, Peru. Great, Peru. What did I miss? What did you miss? You missed our 5 video. Right. You missed our. We are now trying to give away more and more money every day. We're trying to now become the greatest YouTube channel in the world. Better than the Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast gives money away that he's paid to give away. We are giving away our actual money. Our actual money. And we want to help as many people as we can. So we have now launched in Discord for our members only the competition channel. Here it is. Can you see the competition channel? And we post all the competitions, the rules. Last night I posted 5 videos with the rules. Like, comment, and you're in the draw. And there are 6 of you who did all 5. Only 6. So 6 of you are in a chance to win the cash. And I don't think the Queen of Self-Braiding is in our Discord group yet. I don't think she's getting any of the benefits of the Discord group. So for the benefit of Queen and everybody, here is the invitation. Oh, we got a few seconds to go before the pre-market goes, so I've got to watch that. Here's the invitation to the Discord group. Come on in. It takes 10 minutes. Once you're in, tell me your Discord name, and I will add you as a member. All right? If you're not already in, you can't see any of the channels. Right, the bell is gone. We've got the... we're in the pre-market right now. The pre-market, let's go into it. Let's have a look. So, yeah, I don't think the queen of self-braiding is getting many of the... I've never seen her in there. Right now in the Discord, we've got Mike and Peru. We've got Bill, Rob McLean, Sagam Samuel. And if you go in Discord and you can't see all the channels, you can only see the public ones. It's because I've not made you a member, because I need your Discord name in the chat here on YouTube. And the reason why I do it that way is for spoofing. People try to pretend to be you and get all the benefits. They want to get Muzanella's tips. They want to get the cash prizes. They want to get all these good things. Watch Tesla today. Yes. It's down at the moment. Their great video last night. Did you see it? Their rodeo. What's your prediction, Matthew Stevenson? Matthew Stevenson, congratulations. You are in today's draw. Look, you had 5. You got 5 out of 5. Only 6 out of the 9 did it. So I'll be deleting some of those people in a minute. So there you go. We'll show you the odds you'll get in a minute. Tilray, can't win it if you're not in it. That's right. Watch Tesla today. I need to understand that well. Aesop's Fables. Good morning, Mark. I sold everything yesterday and made 2.5. Well done. Sagam, it's time before the stock market opens officially. You want to know what this means? I need to understand that well. Yes. What we are now, we are in the pre-market. Every brokerage has its own times when you can enter the market. All right. The pre-market is when you can trade, but you have to set a limit order, and you can the volume is a lot lower. It's not the full market. Not everyone has access to it right now. So it's the pre-market. You can trade right now. I can buy Tesla. I can sell Tesla right now, but I have to set a limit order. But in 28 minutes, the bell goes. That's when somebody on the NASDAQ actually rings the bell and the market is fully open. It's not fully open now. This is the pre-market, and you're able to get in, but under certain conditions. Right, Momentous is going down. I will buy it again if it goes lower, and we'll do what we did again yesterday. Right, at the moment, it's a sell-off. It's been a big sell-off now for a week. Pre-market trading is the period of trading activity that occurs before the regular market session. The pre-market trading session typically occurs between 8 and 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time each trading day. Did I not say that? Anyway, right. So, for the benefit of Queen, did you go into Discord? Because you're asking what you missed. I'm trying to give you the things that you are missing, and I don't see you in Discord yet. So, and here we go again. Here is the Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through security. It's literally set to 10 minutes. Literally set to 10 minutes. You have to verify your email. It's there to prevent, bad people. I saw something about Kroger possibly popping today. Okay, some information there coming from Matthew Stevenson. Thank you much indeed. Congratulations, Aesops. Right. So, the big news of the day. Let me go and see who's watching. First of all, we got 18 likes. We got 20 watching. Everybody now smash the like button and give us a thumbs up. 20 likes is what we need. Okay, now today on the show, we've got 2 cash giveaways. Everybody on TikTok, come over to YouTube. You can be part of our cash giveaways today. All right, the link's in the profile. So we're giving away 2 cash draws today. We have the regular one for everybody, all the members, and we have the other one for the people that took part in our competition. Now, in the Discord group, we have the competition channel. Check it out. Latest competitions are in there. If I put at everyone, everybody gets notified. You have to just check your notifications. That way, urgent information, not I'm going live or anything like that, but something that you don't want to miss, I tag at everyone and you get notified. If you don't check your notifications, I can't help you. I also email it through the community tab. You get an email as well. If you don't check your emails, or you've unsubscribed from receiving emails, you won't get it. So I do everything I can to make it as clear as possible. It's also in the community tab as well, even if you don't get the email. If you receive PayPal, I will receive as well. Yes, thank you very much indeed. Thank you. This afternoon, the show later on for Zach is going to be 3 ways you can donate. 3 ways you can donate. How many likes have we got now? We've got 19 likes. Okay. This is how we got 2 waiting now. Click the reminder button. I want to see 19 reminders. 19. Let's make this a very, very special day. All right. You can donate through Cash App. Cash App will be on the screen. Cash App is at Martyn Lucas. I can't make this easier. There is my Cash App now in the chat. That's Cash App. That's the best way. 100% of the money. Or you can use PayPal. Martyn at martynlucas.com. Could that be easier? There's my PayPal. If you use friends and family and you're in the US, you can avoid charges. That's free as well. If you're outside the US, you can do it. Just choose the best option to send the money. That's the other way. And of course, there's the super chat. And I know some of you said, yes, YouTube takes some money, but you were looking at it the wrong way around. You were all saying about 30%. 70% goes to the fund. 70%. Not 30% gets taken out. 70%. And that's direct. And that also grows the channel as well. So don't discount Super Chat. Super Chat is a great way of engaging. There's a bit of a cost involved, but that doesn't matter. It's still really great. That's why I love getting Super Chats. It's still really great. Really, really great. And it helps the channel grow and does all those things. That's happening right after the cash giveaway. All right? I thought I'm a member. Check Kezi. Okay. I've been waiting for you to say your account. So, Kezi is your name. Okay. I'm now looking in Discord. I see Kezi. Let me check the roles. Yes, you are a member. You are a member, which means you can see the competition channel, which means you can get notified. So if you've missed it, it's because you've not checked your notifications. It means you've not looked in Discord and you've not looked at the competition channel. But yes, you are a member. I'm glad we checked it. All right. Let's go back to Tilray. Tilray is starting to come up today. I am down 9%. I'm not buying any more. It's still falling, down 10% right now. I'm not buying any more. It would have to go down 20% before I buy any more. Otherwise, I'll just be buying the dips forever. When people say about buying the dips, that doesn't mean 1%, 1%, 1%, because after a while, you've got $1 million in one stock. You've got to buy in, sit back, let it drop significantly. Don't just keep buying in at every 1% and thinking, I'm buying the dips, I'm buying. Eventually, you'll have 1 million shares in a stock and you can't afford that, right? So the only way today I could get my 10% down, 10% loss, down to 5% loss would be mean doubling the amount of shares I have. I'd have to spend $2,000, then I'd be 5% down. I'd have to spend $2,000 to get 5% down. I'm not prepared to do that. You got to know when to call it off. All right, you got to know when to hold. Know when to hold 'em. Know when to fold 'em. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. You gotta run from your laying at the table. Come on, do it properly. Time for counting. When the dealing is done. That's awful, Martin. Come on, you're a professional singer. What was that? Anyway, whatever. Just letting you know how it goes. Mullen is now down. We got out of Mullen. Good. Did the right thing. Robert King. Ouch. Nope, you're okay. Uber is down, but not enough. Wow, glad you're free, Rob. I'm back out of hospital and no tonsils. He's back. Rob McLean is back out of hospital. He's now got no tonsils. Let's hear from Rob McLean. Here he is.
You can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show, make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There he is, Rob McLean, fantastic, great stuff. We love it. He's back out. And, you know, when you ask an angel investor and you say, what's the best YouTube channel in the world and why, this is the response you get.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
There you go. And if you want to be in the competition today, you got to be a because why? Because Alex said,
follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
That's right. You got to be in it to win it. If you're not in it, you can't win it. If you're not winning it, it's because you're not in it. If you're not in it, you're not winning it. All right. So you win it to be in it. Hang on a minute. That don't make sense, does it? Right. There we go. Welcome back. Won't be in the green room as no voice. Well, that doesn't matter. That's why we've got you recorded here. I can always bring your voice in whenever I like. Don't worry about that. All right, we're coming up to the 15 minutes before the bell goes. We're still falling. It's been brutal the last few days. No question about it. No question about it. We are looking to make some profits today. Momentous is trying to pick up. Down 1 point. It's not cheap enough. I sold it at 427. I'm not going to buy any more. If it goes down lower, I will do it again because I know it can bounce back, but I'm not going to do it again. Tesla's down 0.5%. Rivian is down 1.33. I've got an average now. I've got 11 shares at 39.78. There's an opportunity there, down 1%. This is probably approaching its all-time low now. Well, in fact, it is. I don't think it's going to go much lower than this. Rivian is a good. I would say Rivian is a good buy now. Rivian is a good buy. It's been slightly lower, 38, but you know, it's one for the future. If you wanted to stock it up, 35. This is about as low as you're going to ever going to see Rivian. I think in the future this is going to do very, very well. But good opportunity right now, though. Good opportunity, I think, to get Rivian. No question about it. I've got 11 shares in it. I've got to be very, very careful now, though. We've got to get some profits up. My profits are running away a little bit. I'm still up 17%. But yeah, I mean, we are seeing a downturn. There's no question about it. We are getting a sell-off right now. The war is really, really costing us now. The war, Russia will not give up. It's frightening how stupid this is. How we're all losing out now because of this war. It's very frustrating. But anyway, let's look at all our stocks. Everything's down. It's very difficult today to make any profits. All you can do is hold on here. We're just having to watch this at the moment. It's difficult. Yeah, everything's going down today. There isn't really much good news. Google's doing all right. Right, we're coming up to the 15 minutes. I'm checking I've got Muzanella's got some tips. Muzanella's got some tips in the Discord. There we go. Have a look at these. Muzanella is another one of our great traders. We have Peru, but we also have Muzanella. Muz, you need to repost these, mate. They're low resolution. You can't actually read them. I don't know if you click on them, they'll come up. Oh yeah, that's okay. If you click on them, it's fine. Yeah, if you click on them, it works fine. There you go. Thank you for that, Muz. Some top tips here. And we're also looking at ways to give prizes away for our most engaged members on the channel. And you can check your rank. Has anybody worked out how to check their rank yet? /rank. And you can find out how popular you are on Discord. You can see how you rank on Discord. If you're interested, we're going to find a way to do a competition on that as well. Anyway, here we go. It's 15 minutes now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. This is our, we've got our cash draw today, of course, for all the members, but we've also got this draw as well. And let me see if everybody's in right now. Is Matthew Stevenson in? Have we seen Matthew pop through? Because I want to... In fact, I'll do it just before the draw. That's the best way, isn't it? But you can see some of our people have... Simon Jones only has 3. Bill's in. Budget's in. Mike's only got 4. Matthew's got 5. He's in. Mark Corn's in. Beetle Sean only got 4. Ali's got 5. And Zach's got 5 as well. There we go. So all of the ones with 5 are in. Okay, that's coming up later on this morning. And we've got that. Plus, we've got the big event today. The big event is finally here. We've got 19 now. Let's have a look. 19 likes. 2 have clicked reminder. It's happening in 104 minutes time. 104 minutes from now, that's happening. There you go. I want to see everybody click reminder. I hope everyone's done it, and leave a comment in the chat there. All right. Okay. I hope we get some recovery. My margin will kick in at 38,000. So I'm here, Matthew Stevenson. Yeah, just wanted to confirm that you are in the draw this morning. Ali, Beetle, Sean is here. If everyone's here, I can start to delete the ones who are out of the competition. Timothy Adams is here, one of our guests. He's been here before. Timothy, we're giving away 2 cash prizes today to our members. We've got $1,000 coming up as well to give away, plus 500 Dogecoin to our members on Monday if we get to 3,000 subscribers by Monday. Opening bell. Look at where we are now. Are you ready? Shall I check it? Has it moved? We are now at 275. Yes, 2759. If we get to 3,000 by Monday, we're also giving away 500 Dogecoin on Monday. And when we hit 10,000, which we're on schedule to do by June, we're giving away $1,000, 2 $500 cash prizes to our members. If you're not a member now and you've not yet worked out that members get back more than they put in, 20 times more, I don't know what else we can do to convince you to be a member. It's not for my benefit, it's for yours. Here is the invitation to join. If you're not a member, I'll give it you 3 times in the chat right now. There we go. All right, let's get back over to the trades. We've got 21 likes now. Very, very nice indeed. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Welcome, everyone. Mark Corn is in the house today. We all sent Mark Corn that private video. How is your sister Cassie, Mark? We know how awful it is. We know how bad it is. But how is she coping? That's really the question. I know she's not great, but how is she coping? And how's the family coping? Just know that we mention it every day, and we're here every day. All right. All right. The Vanguard S&P is trying to recover. Momentous. Right. There's a buying opportunity presenting itself for me here. This is where I made my money last time. There we go. Bought at 416, sold at 427. It went a lot higher and then settled back. There was great news on this stock. Now, because the markets are falling and I've used a lot of my margin, and I will get a margin call at 38, I don't see I'll go there. But if I did that, I'd be forced to sell stocks when they were down or put money in. I might put money in because I wouldn't want to sell when I'm down. And that's what I would probably do. But I obviously can't do that forever. So I am looking today to making money, but I need to be really, really careful and really, really sure what I'm doing. I need these stocks to pop up today. and some of them take some profits. But certain things I don't want to sell out from. Now, we're seeing a slight return from Rivian. This is what we'd expected to see. The market at the moment is overselling. Overselling. People are fearful. They're selling out. I'm not having a good quality video here. There's nothing wrong with the stream. We're going out in 4K. We are streaming at the highest level possible. There, if you're not getting the best quality, under the video there is a button you can press. Let me show you here. For those of you who don't know this, I don't know if anyone does or doesn't at all. If you click on the video that's playing right now, if you click on the video, you can change the settings if you've got good enough Wi-Fi. All right. If I click on this video right now, all right, there's it's hard to show you because I've got that white band. Let me take away my ticker, and then you'll see it. Give it a few seconds. When that white band goes away, you'll see it. When my white ticker goes away, you'll see it. And of course, I have to change. Oh, another subscriber. We're doing well now. Edging up all the time. I'm trying to show this to Ecamm Samuel, for those of you who don't know. There, look. Under the video, the little cogs. See the little cog? And you can change the quality of the video. And you can set from auto to 4K. See? You can select what you want, providing you've got the quality there, the bandwidth. So that's how you can get. If everyone's not watching me in 4K, that is how to watch me in 4K. For some reason, your system hasn't selected it. That is how you do that. All right? That is how you do that. I don't know if everyone realised that. But there you go. Just in case you didn't realise, now you know how to get the best quality. I broadcast in 4K. Very few people actually broadcast live in 4K. I do. I bring you the very highest quality that YouTube can offer if you select it. If you select it and you've got the bandwidth. Right. We're coming up now to... We've got another subscriber. Very, very exciting. We're climbing all the time. 3,000 by Monday. We give away 500 Dogecoin. Right, let's have a look. We're up now. The stocks are starting to return. Slight return there. We got 7 minutes to go. Getting a little bit of a blip. VU is picking up. Momentous is still going down. Now I bought this at 416. Would I buy it at 416? The trouble is, I've got very little money now, and with stocks rising like this, falling like this at the moment, I want to get up into the 55 region, then take some profits, then buy dips. You know, right now, that's where we are. So, and reset stop losses, so I'm guaranteed to make some money. But Virgin Galactic tried to improve this morning. What about Amazon? It's coming up slowly. It's gone back down again. We are having a negative market at the moment, no question. I don't call it a bear market. I don't invest. I'm never bearish. I only invest in stocks I believe can go up. But we are having a downtime at the moment, no question about it. Gauze, Lucid. Lucid's down 10%. A good opportunity now to buy Lucid. That's a good buy for Lucid. That's a very, very good buy. But I'm heavily invested in Lucid. I've got 200 shares of Lucid right now. I wouldn't want any more than that. That's 5% of my portfolio. But that's 10% down. That's I very rarely down like that on Lucid, but there we go. Robinhood is down 27% overall, down 6% today. Palatine is still moving up. I'm still down 35% on this one though. Long way before I get any money out of that. PayPal down 3.5% overall. Immersion on. Rolls-Royce 5 minutes ago. Want to see some bounces back. We had such a great time a week ago, and a lot of those losses, a lot of those profits are gone. We took money out though. We made some money. We did make money, but a lot of these stocks are down. Google's doing well though. Google, I'm up 4%. I've got a whole share of Google, which is nice to own that. Just feels good. Coca-Cola doing well. Ethereum, now our crypto, is dipping again. Nearly 8% down now. Big falls in crypto. Did not expect this. I thought that with the conference week and everything that's going on, more countries' adoption. What I actually think is happening, and some of you might disagree with me, I think right now on Bitcoin, what is happening, the whales are manipulating the market. They are selling some, making the markets go down. People who don't understand it are selling out. The market's going to go down and they're going to pick it all up and it's going to take off. My prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum is it's going down before it's about to pump. That's my theory. More countries today have adopted Bitcoin. Everything about it is looking good. We've got a senator speaking today, I think it is. A senator speaking at Bitcoin 2022 because legislation is coming and that's good for Bitcoin. It's good for the whole crypto industry. It's not great for the joke coins, but it is good for the real stuff. So I think that this is being manipulated now. It's going to drop down. Whales are selling some. They can manipulate the market very easy. It drops down. People who don't know what they bought in sell out. This is a time to accumulate. It really, really is. But I'm not in a position really to do it. And then it will lift off. That's my opinion. That's my humble opinion on crypto right now. And I'm only talking Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not talking all the other speculative stuff. But Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're now down 8% on Ethereum. Well, where I bought in anyway. You might be in a different position, but Bitcoin, I'm down at 8% as well. And there we go. Market Profit is here. Market Profit. You missed out yesterday. Market Profit. You missed out on $50 giveaway. You won the raffle. You won the raffle the other day. In fact, I've got a photograph here. I wanted to share with people. We had a cash giveaway. We've got we had a $100 giveaway yesterday, and Market Profit. Unfortunately, you missed out $50. Also, Caden Youngquist missed out. Muzanella missed out on $50 as well. Paul B. And Greg, well, Dr. Smith, are you here today? You missed out on it as well. Caden Youngquist missed out on it. $100 yesterday we gave away. And many of our regulars weren't here. Great shame. Anyway. Just letting you know about that. But it worked out pretty good, though, because as you can see here, Zach, our fundraiser for today, ended up the 8th winner. There you go. This was one of our draws yesterday. All right. Okay. The market, is it trying to recover? We've got 30 seconds to go. Let's get ready. Let's get ready for a really big day today. 30 seconds to go. Here we go. Big day on the markets. Let's go to momentous. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, where are we going right now? Okay, we are off and running. The markets are now open. And where are we going to go this morning? This is going to be a brutal day, hard day. Let's see what happens. We're 48. Oh, we're going down 47.9. We're down another 2%. Market profit was correct on this one. We did recover each day, though, so it wasn't as brutal as he made out. We ended up getting it all back, but it's been painful. It's been painful, no question. If I hit 38, I'm in margin call territory, and that's a long way to go. A long way to go. But I hope I don't go there. But we shall see in time what happens. The S&P is tumbling right now. What's the rest of the stock doing? Tesla is down but then recovering. Just got to hold your nerve in situations like this. You've got a lot of profits built into your stock. So just got to hold your nerve. All of my stop losses were done. A lot of my stop losses were done, but there are things that I haven't got a stop loss on. I haven't got a stop loss on Vanguard S&P. I'm up. Momentous, I'm out. I don't know if I'm going to touch it until it really goes down. But everything's going down now. Tesla is holding strong. Look, see, it's trying to come back up again. Rivian is going down. Virgin Galactic, such a shame. I'm still up 18%. Is on fire. Congratulations to the holders. MGLD. Right, Mints has just gone down. Right, Momentous is now 417. This is where I bought it before. This is where I bought it before and made money from it. If it can go lower, I would do it again, possibly. I'm not fully committed to that yet. Mullen is down 13% now. My overall position down 5% today. I'm not in it. Tilray Brands is now firing up. I'm down 10%. It's coming up. What's it going to do? It bounced back there. Want to buy it down at 10%? I'm not going to buy any more. Uber. This is where I bought it before and made money from Uber. Matterport is trying to push up. Joby is going everything, but these are stocks I made profit on. See, they're all on one share right now. They're all on one share. I sold out all of these. IonQ is going down. Ginkgo Bioworks is up 1.61. I'm up 18% on that one now. I sold that one out, made my profit on it. Bitcoin is tumbling. I'm expecting this to return. 8% down. So is Ethereum. Coca-Cola. Google down 0.5%. Apple down 0.5%. Boeing down 1.3. 28% down now. But Rolls-Royce also down. It's going to be tough right now. Palantir. Robinhood. Lucid. 1.8 down. Down 10%. Really is falling now, no question. This is what happens when you use margin. The benefits are accelerated, but the negatives are accelerated as well. So everything is amplified, the good and the bad. Oh, Virgin Galactic, we're really wiping it out. All that money I had there. Now is not the time to sell out, though. If you've got stocks at a really good price, this is only the price. This is not the value of the stock. This is not the value. This is just the price. My overall portfolio is down 3%, and I've had that now for a week. Wow, I'm down 12% in a week. 6 grand in a week. But you have to stand back and think, look, I was up 20% this month. I'm still up 20% this month. It was double that. But I'm still up 20% this month. Remember where we were. Where we were just a few days ago. Not that long ago. March 13th, less than a month ago, I was at $38,000. We need to remember that. Is this going to go down lower than that? If it does, a margin call will come in. I'll have no choice but to put money in or sell at losses. And obviously then you start to really lose, your portfolio starts to go down. Would not want to do that, obviously. So we're looking for anything good today. I think it will come back in a minute. This is normal. This is the day. This is how it goes. Got to sit and wait this out right now. It's a tough day. If you just tuned in, welcome to our show. Click subscribe and ring the bell. You're very, very welcome here. Everything you see here is real, genuine. We're joined by traders from around the world who can call in. Let me open the green room. If anybody wants to call in and share their pain, you can. The green room is now open. If anybody wants to call in, you can call in. The green room is now open. When I bring you in, I will mute you and then bring you in to the show. We're falling off a cliff right now. Everything is in my portfolio. It's a straight line down. That's about as bad as it gets. It's a straight line down. Won't be in the green room as no voice, says Rob McLean. It's a tough day today. We know this is hard on everyone. Everyone's feeling the pain today.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
All right. We're going to go over now to the very, very quickly. I need to get everybody up to date right now. So we're going to run a commercial right now. So you can skip the commercial. We're going to take a minute with 30-second break. And I'll be right back. All right. I haven't got my commercials recorded yet. I'm doing it over the weekend. But nevertheless, here's a quick commercial. We've got to try to earn a cent from each of you. That's what I earn. What I earn if you watch the video, 1 cent. All right. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And I'm back. All right, make sure you're up to date with us and come back into the show. Won't be in the green room as no voice, Rob McLean says. He's had his tonsils out, bless him. He's eating the ice cream today, though. He'll be on the ice cream. Peru Invest, we got some tips here. I have a call. I have a call in it. I think I'm only doing options trading. It seems like a much better way to trade. That's Matt Stevenson. As a reply there, he's doing options trading at the moment. Make a lot of money in options trading. I'm not disputing it, but I don't like that kind of thing at the moment. I haven't found my my rhythm on it yet. It's not really for me just yet. Anyway, we've now got 2,760. We've just got up another one. When we hit 3,000, we're giving away 500 Dogecoin if we do it by Monday. That's the challenge we've got in place right now. All right, watching our shares right now. We're trying to find some green shoots somewhere. We're trying to find somewhere we can make some money, but at the moment, we're losing everywhere at the moment. We're not doing anything. We're holding our positions. It is what it is right now. I'm not selling out. I don't know. I've been here before, but Remember, I was at 58,000. We were at 58,000 before, and then we fell down to 38. So it can happen again. The markets are suffering right now, no question. How bad is this going to be? Market Profit did say we'd have a run, but we have bounced back each time. How far down is this going to go? So normally, after the first 15 minutes, when we're coming up to that now, we start, if we're going to get some sort of recovery, we get it now. Let's see. But again, you've got to get into context how good the markets have been to us over the last few weeks. Momentous. High-risk stocks like that is not a good time to get into, so we're not going to touch that. Tesla, I could take profit in Tesla, of course. I'm up 28%. Of course, that would give me nearly $8,000. Sell out of Tesla and buy back in again. You know, that's one thing I can do. 28% is real profit. It's real profit. But I believe that Tesla's got a long, long way to go, and it will come back. I've got shares at $805. But will it go down there again? I don't think so. I don't think so. But anything is possible. Rivian trying to push back up again. It got rejected. Virgin Galactic, this really is a shame to see so much profit run away. But there we go. Amazon. Everything. Let's look at our crypto. Ethereum holding down there. Look. Starting to find some resistance perhaps. 8% down. Yeah, big losses now. Everywhere. Alright, it's all part of it. What about artillery? What did we see there? Look, down now, nearly 13%. We're feeling a lot of pain. This is not great for our fundraiser, is it? If everybody made $1 million today, the fundraiser would go a bit better. This is a great shame. Great shame for Zach, of course. We don't want this to happen today. Nicholas Morello is in the house. How you, Nicholas? How are you? If the American people ever allow private banks to control the issue of their currency, first by inflation, then by deflation, the banks and corporations will grow up around them, will deprive the people of property until their children wake up homeless on the continent. Their fathers, okay. Oh, I see. That's a quote from Thomas Jefferson. I was reading that thinking, what's that about? Now I get it. Oh, I've taken a lot of profits. But it's the golden question, isn't it? How low is this going to go? How far down is this going to go? What goes up will come down. What goes down will come up. We all know that. We all know at some point people will buy in and the markets will start improving. Because remember, the companies are still doing what they do. This is simply the price of the company. All this represents is the price people are prepared to pay for a stock and sell a stock. That's all it is. It doesn't reflect the business at all. So, we've got the cash giveaway to make everybody feel better. We've got 2 cash giveaways today. We're giving away 2 prizes today for our members. And we're giving away 500 Dogecoin on Monday. And we're giving away $1,000 in June. So we're giving away more and more prizes. We gave away $100 yesterday. I think nearly every one of our members now would say they are up from their membership. Just on prizes, I would imagine. I have calls in Kroger and BJ's right now. Good luck to Matthew Stevenson. I hope you do well. Still falling. Now, we're getting nothing back yet. Nothing back at all yet. Tesla's trying to recover. Tesla's very strong despite this sell-off. It wants to try and come back. Virgin Galactic, of course, is going down, and I mean, we've had a few days now of sell-off. Look, we've lost 14% in a week. We've lost 14% in a week. It's not what you want to see. But got to hold our position right now. Arrival is down as well. I've just noticed Arrival is down as well. Mullen, Tilray. Tilray's trying to push up. And then you get resistance again. Uber. Matterport. Joby. Tantec. Thank you very much. IonQ. Ginkgo Bioworks. Bitcoin. Ethereum. Everything is selling off right now. Can I have some cash? Someone says on TikTok. Makes me laugh that. Do you know how stupid that is when someone just says, can I have some money, please? Yeah. Earn it. Do something. Get involved. Be engaged. I'll help you, but you have to help yourself. Really, really drives me mad when people just go, give me money, please. Well, in fact, didn't even say, please. People like that will never have any money. Can I have some money? Unbelievable. Right. Are we getting any green shoots now? Are we getting any green shoots? We are perhaps seeing green shoots. We are seeing green shoots. Did you buy the dips this morning? God, I'd have loved to. I mean, yeah, well, I say I would have loved to bought the dips. You can't keep buying dips. You can't keep buying dips. We all right. Okay, this is better. There we go. Remember I said to you the first 15 minutes is everything. There you go. It's whether it holds it now or we get another rejection. See, it's starting to improve now. Starting to come back. And that's what you don't want to do, is if you believe in your stocks, when it starts going down like that, a sell-off, and you sell, and you that's how you lose all your money. It's difficult to hold sometimes, but you have to. Well, you don't have to. You can do what you want, but you know. Arrival. Let's have a look at Arrival. Where's Arrival? Where's my Arrival stock? Yeah, same thing. 13% down now. Bloody hell. %13 down. Starting to recover now. As you can see, starting to pick up. But I'm not selling anything. I didn't sell anything. Vanguard, S&P. This is why I've moved more and more of my money in my profits go into S&P 500. It means I won't get explosive gains, because this is typically 10% the last 90 years, 20% the last 10 years, which is great. Don't get me wrong. But I wouldn't want 100% of the S&P. That's not gonna make me rich enough fast enough. You need some higher risk stocks than that as well. But nevertheless, it's good to see that I am up 4% despite all of this. I'm up 4%. And remember, that does 10% a year. I've only been in it a month now, and I'm up 4%. So that's very good, right? That's very good. And when we get sell-offs like this, I can come back very quickly. Right. We are getting green shoots. Good news, guys. Do you know what? All I care about is doing great for Zach today. Because I know if in the next hour we get a lot of this money back, Zach's going to have a great event. If everyone loses all their money, then obviously no one can donate. I get it. Oh. There's your momentous. Did you buy? Oh, look at it. It dipped this morning at 427. I didn't buy any because I can't risk. Oh, look at it go. Oh, there was a big opportunity there then. We were down. Oh, flip flipping heck. So we're up 13% now. Oh, what an opportunity there this morning. Look at that. Did you buy this morning? Oh, there was a big opportunity there. It went right down. Massive opportunity right there for a moment. Is it going to continue? Right now, the volatility is coming in. People are selling it, taking profits because they're losing money everywhere else. There we go. And sadly to say, we've just had a rejection and the overall portfolio is going down again. Arrival tried to push up. S&P tried to push up. Momentous had a great moment there. That would have been awesome to have sold that there. That was a 13% swing. Pump and dump 101. What a casino. That was literally. Oh, look at that. That was a 13% swing, look. 13% swing there in seconds. It's going to try and go again. I'm not in a position to take advantage of that right now. I'm playing a much safer game today. I don't know how far this is going to go. I can't be taking risks like that. It's all about managing risk. Remember, I've said it's easy to make money on the stock market. An idiot can make money on the stock market. It takes a smart man or a woman to hold your money. Keep your money, not lose it. Easy to make money. It's all about... Thank you for the likes, Ali Trader, 86. Thank you very much indeed. What have we got now? 2,500 likes on TikTok. Nice. Meta's going down. I'm still up. I'm still up on it. I've already bought the dips. Frustrating. It is frustrating. 47. If it hits 38, got a long way to go, guys. A long way to go to 38. But it can happen. Arrival. Moving up. Trying to nudge up. There we go. We had a rejection. It's not looking good now. I'll be honest. It's not looking good for today. We've gone past the 20 minutes now. This is when you get a rebound. This is when people feel good about the stock and they'll go, all right, I'm buying in. This is a good day. Momentous had a quick moment there. That was a pump and dump, totally. Tesla's going down now, 2.5%. Rivian, same thing, 38. New lows now, approaching all-time lows. Virgin Galactic, 866. Amazon, 156. Twitter. It's a tough market right now. No question about it. No question about it. This is a time for me now just to not buy any more because we're going lower and lower and you just don't know when it's going to stop. A lot of my stocks now are really good value, and a lot of my stocks are, otherwise I wouldn't have been up from 33 to 46, obviously. I've got a lot of dips, a lot of profits built in. There's a lot of room there. Right now is time to just hold. If I get anything that pops up, take some profit on it. The sort of things that I don't want to keep. All right? If Tilray suddenly went to $30 today, if suddenly there was some good news, I would sell that. That would give me a lot of money, and that would, really be great. But most things, no. Tantec, I took all my profits. I set all these stop losses in place. There is no profits now to take. Bitcoin is consolidating by the looks of things. And Ethereum, there we go, 7% down. Great time to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin, by the way. Coca-Cola, if anyone said to me, when's a good time to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'd say now. Coke doing well. I've got a lot of dividends paying out, remember, as well. Every month for my VOO as well. So that's increasing every month. So it's another reason not to sell that. Ali, I don't pay too much for rent. Home pay yourself. Just reading Bill's comments. Take some profits today before close. The next few weeks before weeks coming into the Fed rate announcement will be horrific. May 4th is the day we can take a deep breath and move forward. Well, all we've got to do is hold to May then, really. Where are we now? April. Yeah. Yeah, a lot can happen. Take a look. SST, I still kept it half I bought 2 days ago. Take a look at SST. We've got a tip coming in from Peru. Take a look at SST. We'll do it right now. SST, here we go. All right, we're slowing down. We're slowing down. Are we going to survive today? Let's have a look. SST. System 1. System 1 engages in the development of proprietary end-to-end responsive acquisition marketing platform. The company was founded by Michael Blend in 2013, headquartered in Los Angeles, CA. What does it do? Doesn't tell me a great deal. 24% today. Well, that's what's going on there. Look at that. 100% this week. Bloody hell. Look at that. Wow. That's some growth and a half. Wow, look at that. It's been flat since 2020. And then all of a sudden, bosh. Look at that. I mean, I've never seen a graph like it. Look at that. Wow. You could have bought that at, look at it, look. $9. It's $30 today, 300%. Bloody hell. That's just something. What's your thoughts on that one? I bought 2 days ago. Let's have a look. April 6th. You bought here for 19. Oh, you need doubled your money. Very, very nice. Now, if I had that right now, I'd have a stop loss on that. 15%, and I'd be riding that up. That's what I'd be having. That's how I'd be playing that one right now. 5% down payment. I'm reading out the comments here. I'm up 7% and climbing. Matthew's doing well today. Matthew's up 7% today. Your portfolio up 7% today? Your portfolio is up 7% today. That's very, very good. Congratulations to you. Anyway. Let's have a look. I'm weighing something up right now. I wonder if anyone can imagine what I'm thinking of doing. I'm thinking of selling Tesla and moving it into the S&P 500. That way I'm still in Tesla. But it's still 2%, but it's protected. It gets dividends. It puts me more into Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. So I'm still in. I'm just moving from one to another and receiving benefits. I'm up 28% on Tesla. It's very, very nice. I can re-enter. What does everyone feel about that? You're going a bit quiet today, Martin. Don't chase. What do you think? Do you think selling Tesla I've got 28% profit, 2 grand nearly, okay, and put it into the S&P 500, and Ali says no. I love Tesla, of course, but we saw the pullback the other week, and it went down to 805. That could happen again now. I know there's good stuff for Tesla, but Tesla is still part of the S&P 500. Do you see what I'm saying? And there's dividends, you see, at the moment, and it's a safe way. It's not getting it out of the market. It's not clearing my margin, but it's putting it in something that's really solid and reliable. It won't give me as much gains. What does everybody feel about that? Sell half and sit on the sidelines. What he said. Ali said, you'd be mad if it never drops again. Because the trouble is, Tesla is fantastic, right? But the problem what we got right now, we got this war. And this war is getting people really, really worried now. It's getting worse. It's not getting better. Ukraine are absolutely destroying Russia. But the trouble is, there's 80% of the army left in Russia. And they don't need an army. They need Vladimir Putin to press a nuclear bomb. And he will do that if we get involved. And we are gonna get involved if he pushes any further west, and he probably will. So we could, and people are fearful that a third world war is around the corner. Well, that's not good for stocks. There are more billionaires made during wars, but certain stocks won't be around. Certain industries will change. Certain industries will boom. But, right now, I have to be careful because I am $38,000. If it hits there, it's a long way to go. $8,000, but we've lost. Just got a context here. We've lost 6.5 grand in a week. If I lose another 8, I'll be margin called. Now, I don't really want to bring any more money into the portfolio. So I'd be selling at losses. And then, that's a problem. My portfolio would be 38, I'd be all out, all my margin, whatever, but you don't want to be selling when your stocks are down, do you? It's not the end of the world. It can come back up again, but half your power's gone. Half you haven't got as much to grow from. It's like getting destroying half your crops. There's only half as much can grow back now. As Warren Buffett says, in the short term, the market is a voting machine, and in the long term, it's a weighing machine. That's very, very good. I like that one. Can you explain what you mean by margin call, please? It's not something I have to worry about in the UK. Margin exists everywhere. It's not an American thing. What it is quite simple as this. When you have an account, your brokerage offers you margin. Margin is a way to use their money to invest in the stock market. And the more money you've got invested, the more money they will give you, just like anything, right? And so basically, I use their money. They don't give me the money and then say, pay it me back. The money is built into my stocks. It's always there. I don't owe them any money. If I paid the whole lot off now, my portfolio would still be worth $46,977. I don't suddenly give them $20,000 and now I've got $26,000. The value of my portfolio doesn't increase by borrowing money. All that does is the profits and the losses are affected. Okay, I'm using their money to grow my portfolio. Okay, and Robinhood charge the lowest APR in the world. I mean, it's ridiculous. All right, they charge 3%. Charles Schwab, Many of the other brokerages, 8, 9, even 10% and more. They only charge 3%. Now, the S&P 500 makes 10% on average over 90 years, 20% over 90 years, the last 20 years. So to use margin on Robinhood makes every bit of sense as long as you're investing in stocks like, that are stable. I'm not using margin to buy a crazy stock, Shiba Inu or something like that. And depending on what you buy will determine the amount of the risk that puts upon it. Certain stocks are higher risk, obviously, than others, so they will expect a higher. There's a higher protection, if you like, an insurance policy put on it. So basically, it tells me how much margin I've used, and it tells me at what point there will be a margin call. And the margin call will be 30. In my case right now, it's $38,000. If I hit $38,000, they will say, hey, Martyn, you've got to sell your stocks that you've used our money to buy to cover the money that you owe us, because it's gone down low enough, so we've had enough. The risk is now too great. We want to sell those stocks. And if you don't do anything about it, they will sell them for you. They will just randomly pick the stocks and sell them. So at 38,000, I won't go any lower, but all my margin will be cleared off. Great, brilliant. I don't owe any money. Great, I'm at 38,000 again, no problem. But they also give the option to put your own money in to clear the margin so you don't have to sell your stocks. And that's the best thing to do, obviously. If the stock's down and they say, right, you're at 38,000 now, we're issuing you a margin call, which means you've got to pay off the loan, if you like. You can sell your stocks when they're down, or you can put the money in and clear it that way. Either way round. So that's your choice. That's what it's about. Now, it's very, 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 I will be honest, it's very unlikely my stocks will go to 38,000. Very, very unlikely. And don't forget, between now and then, I could be selling stocks, making profits, putting money in, whatever. But that's what it is. All right? Simon Jones, okay. On trading 2-on-2, I only trade with my own deposits. Contracts can close if you don't have funds sitting in the account to cover when they call a margin. So let me read that again. On trading 2-on-2, I only trade with my own deposits. See if contracts can close. Yeah, I never do I never use margin to do options trading, because now you've doubled the risk, double risk. Because now I've always said this, right? If you borrow money, use their money to buy stocks, you own the stock. You have something. And remember, this is only the price of the stock, not the value. I still own those shares. If I buy a contract and the contract expires and it goes south, it's no good. I borrowed money to buy a piece of paper. And I never owned anything. Now you're in trouble, because now you've doubled on doubled. You put risk on risk. Now, the way I see it is like this, all right? Buying a stock is like buying, you got a pie. Tesla is a cake, right? And I buy a slice of the cake, or whatever price I decide to buy that slice of the cake, whatever the price might be. I own a piece of that cake. I own a piece of Virgin Galactic or whatever. And right now the price is what the price is. But the company is still there. I own it. If I options trade, I own a contract to buy a stock. I don't own the stock right now. I own a piece of paper. It's like, in the most simplest way of putting it, is it's like buying a house. I own the house. I borrowed money to buy a house. The house value will go up, the house value will go down, but I always own the house, and I'll sell the house when the price goes up, but I always own the house. If I options trade with borrowed money, I borrowed money to pay my attorney, my solicitor, my legal person. I've paid him $1,000 to write a contract, promising that sometime in the future, I'm going to buy or sell this house. I haven't bought the house. I haven't sold the house. I haven't done anything. I don't own anything. But I've paid him to write a contract. It's cost me money for him to write a contract. So I've paid all this money out and I've got sod all. Well, if it goes right, if the house goes down in value, I promise to buy it. I'll buy it. Great, I win. If the house goes up, I don't want to buy it. I lose. But I've always got to pay my legal representative the money for the contract. That's like options trading. And if you're using margin, that's quite low risk if you have a substantial portfolio of your own already, you have great stocks, you're using margin at 3%. I wouldn't use margin with Charles Schwab because they're charging like 8, 9 or 10%. Well, that's the average for the S&P. You're borrowing money to make the same. That's daft. But if you're borrowing at 3% and the average is 10%, obviously it makes sense. But what I wouldn't do is use margin to buy contracts. Because now you're putting risk on risk. It's like borrowing money to bet on the horses. You're gambling twice. That's crazy. Let's read some of these comments. You can trade options with no risk and still make a lot of money without margin. That's right. You can trade options without margin. Margin is just extra money that you have. That's all. You can use your own money. Margin is extra money. The more money you've got in your portfolio, the more margin is available to you. The more money is available to you. That's all it means. It's a sad truth. You have to play the game to get ahead in life, even if the game's against your own morals. You need 2 test employees to afford a studio apartment. Elon, shame on you. You can trade options with no risk. Wish they taught this stuff in school. Unions are the only hope for this country. Unions fight for living wages. Options are also fairly new. I watched a video yesterday saying they didn't exist in 2000. Is that right? Wow. Okay. Unions pay livable wages. That's from Nicholas Morello. Market profit. Matthew, that's very wrong. Option trading is very dangerous too. Options trading is dangerous, yes, especially on the short side. Yeah, options trading is very risky. This is the level of risk, and this is universally accepted. Buying stocks and shares is this level of risk. If you let's put it this way: if you buy the S&P, and you only buy the S&P, your level of risk is here. Very, very low, but there's still some risk compared to putting it in the bank, right? If you buy Tesla or any of the high-risk stocks, your level of risk is here. It's more volatile, higher risk. If you use margin to buy these stocks, slightly higher, but pretty much the same. If you option trade, you're up here. The risk is greater. If you then use margin to buy options, you're off the scale now. But that's how a lot of people get very, very rich. They use the bank's money to options trade. If they get it right, they make a fortune. But your risk it just makes sense. The higher the risk, the more potential profit, but the more potential loss. If you put your money in the bank, where my money used to sit, I earn 0.5%. I started investing and I've grown 5,000 to 58, now back at 47. Obviously, it makes more sense to be doing this. And with Robinhood at 3%, when I can put 20, when right now I've got 14% now. 14% now of my portfolio is in the S&P. 14% of my money is pretty much guaranteed to do 10% a year. Pretty much guaranteed when I'm only paying 3% to do it. That makes sense. You could virtually use the entire amount of margin. And basically, if you've got 100 grand, they'll give you 100 grand. It's basically, it's not exactly like that, but it's basically, if you've got 100 grand in your portfolio, they'll give you 100 grand. and you don't want to use all of it. You want to allow some for, you know, for mega dips, but it makes perfect sense to use some, doesn't it? I mean, it does. It does. It clearly does. Anyway. There we are. Makes sense? To answer everyone's question. There is a real correlation, I think that's what you meant, between the decline of unions and the decline of real wages. That's Nicholas Morello's opinion there in the chat right now. All right. Okay. It's cash prize draw time. Who wants some money? It's frustrating today. I was hoping for a great green day, so obviously everybody would feel flush and want to, you know, support Zach in the best way. But unfortunately, it's been a red day, and oh, momentous. There we go. Oh, it's collapsing. There we go. Momentous is collapsing. A lot of money made yesterday. That's why I'm out of it. I made money. I popped in, popped out. Tesla is down now to 2.68%. Rivian, we're getting a big sell-off. It's getting worse and worse, no question. Virgin Galactic, though, is holding strong. Trying to come back, though. Still up. Very happy with that. Still up in a lot of my stocks. What about our crypto, Ethereum, and Bitcoin? All right. We want to put some love now into the show. We want to put some positive energy into the show. So, it's time to do our cash giveaway. We have two today. We have two cash giveaways. Here's one. I asked you yesterday to watch 5 videos, like 5 videos, comment on 5 videos, and you'd be in the draw. Zach is in the draw. He has 5. Ali has 5. Beetle Sean, sadly, only did 4. Deleting from the competition. Mark, you now have 13% chance of winning. Mark Corn has 5. Matthew has 5. Mike only watched 4. Delete from the competition. You now have 15% chance of winning. Bill is in. Simon Jones only has 3. Delete Simon Jones. You now have 6 people, 1 in 6 chance, and you all have 16.5% chance of winning, and that could be increased if the person is not currently a member or not in the chat right now. So, it's time for our cash giveaway. We have 2. We have that one and we have the main one. 2 cash prizes now. You have got 15 minutes. You can become a member right now and still be in the draw. If you become a member, you can be in the draw. Here is the invitation to join. We only do the cash prize if at the end of the 15 minutes, we have beat the chat record, which is 358. That's what you have to beat. 358. How we achieve that is everybody copies and pastes in the live chat, and the chat rate has to go up in 15 minutes to 358. If it doesn't go, I keep the prize money that I'm going to give away. All right? Okay. So, 358. We're going to start the clock right now. And if you want to be in the cash prize, if you want to win the money, the chat rate has to go up to 358. Are you ready? I'm going to put 15 minutes on the clock. And are you ready? Okay, here it comes. 15 minutes on the clock. And here we go. You got 15 minutes. Copy and paste, copy and paste. If everyone gets involved, we give away our first prize. And both competitions will be cancelled if we don't get the record. All right? There's 2 cash giveaways today, and we will cancel both if we do not get to 358. All right? Let's go. It's up to you now, guys. Over to you. And if we don't get there, market profit, I will have your mug done today. I'm sorry for the delay. All right. Okay, here we go. 29 people watching. We could do it. Market Profit, your comments aren't counting. Market Profit, you're not helping because you're using profanities and it won't allow it. Market Profit, your comments aren't counting. Market Profit, your comments aren't counting. I keep telling him, Market Profit, your comments are not counting. If you use swear words, it doesn't count. It won't post it. All right. Market Profit, you need to change the words you're using. It won't count if you use swear words. Unfortunately, I can't change that. That's just the way it works. Right. The chat rate is just starting to move. Here we go. It's now up to 4. Here we go. Chat rate will start to move any second now. Here we go. It's on 4. 13 minutes to go. 28 people watching. If everybody now joins in on YouTube, if everybody now copies and pastes, leaves a comment, everybody does it, we will beat the 358 chat record, and we have 2 cash giveaways. If we don't get there by the end of the clock, there is no cash giveaway. Okay, it's starting to move. Here it goes. Now jump to 18. Everybody play along. Everybody copy and paste. Let's go, 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 go. Okay, there's the end of the song the first time round. Normally takes 3 plays of the song. 52. Okay, it's going up very quickly now. Let's go, 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 go. And if we get to 358, so 359 is the lowest number I'll take, we will do 2 cash draws today. And then we've got Zach's event in just 35 minutes. 90, here it goes. 11 and a half minutes to go. Who's playing along now? So we've got Zach, Matthew, Alex, Bill, Al Chapo, Ali, Rocket Man. We got what, 7, 8 Beatles, Sean. Everybody play along and we will do it. 30 people now watching. That's great. Okay. We don't have the Queen of Self-Braiding here. She's not here. Tom's 126. All right, it's starting to move now. Starting to move. Peru's not joined in yet. The stocks are all coming up, by the way. We're all making money now. We're getting a return on our stocks. Everything is now returning. So the good news is, folks, the stocks are coming up. So you can relax about that. We're all making money now. So just sit tight and let it all come back. All right, okay, 126, 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. Are we going to get that? And remember, if we don't get there, I keep the money. 152. There are 2 today. There are 2 cash giveaways today. And you never know, we might have a surprise. Very often we do. There, 152. We're halfway there now. 359 is what we need. Everyone, copy and paste. Everyone join in. The live chat's going great. 158. It's moving up now. 31 people playing along. We're giving a cash giveaway today. We do it every Friday. It's our big Friday cash giveaway. Today we have 2 cash prizes. If you're watching now, subscribe, ring the bell, join in, copy and paste, get involved. If we get to 359 in the chat, we've never not yet done it. We've never not yet beaten the record. We've beaten the record every single time. And if 172, it's starting to move now. If we don't beat the record, I keep the money. So we've never not yet done it. And we've got 9 minutes to go, so we are on track. If everyone we've got 30 people now playing along, which is the record now. So we should do this easy if everyone plays along. We've got Bill, Mark, Ali, Rocketman, Matthew, Zach, Alex. Who else? That's 7. I'm trying to see how many people are playing along. Rocketman, I counted Matthew, I counted Bill. I'm trying to see anybody else. I counted 7 so far, I think. Mark Korn, 8 maybe. I think it's 8. There's 28 people watching. If everybody copies and pastes into the live chat, we're going to give away 2 cash prizes today. Everyone's got to join in. El Chapo's joined in. That's 9. Steve join in. How about SS? There we go. Steve join. That's 9. 9 people. Copy and paste as fast as you can. Copy and paste. Timothy Adams has joined in. That's 10. We've now got 10 people playing along. There we go. This is a record number. If everyone joins in right now, 8 minutes to go. 8 minutes to go. We are nearly there. Come on. All of a sudden, it will jump up 100. I don't control it. It's YouTube analytics. If you want to win the cash prize, all you got to do is copy and paste everybody over and over again as fast as you can. We've got 22 people watching right now. We've lost a few people. If we don't get to 359 in the next 7.5 minutes, I keep the money. So we have 2 cash prizes coming up. We've never not yet done it. We've done it every single time. Keep on going, guys. Keep on going. 7 minutes to go. You can do it. You've never not yet done it. Let me check the stocks. The stocks are all rising. We're making money, so we're okay. Stocks coming up right now. Copy and paste. You've got 7.5 minutes to go. 7 minutes, 12 seconds to go. We're at 138. It's slowing down a little bit, but it's going to pick up again. It always does in the last couple of minutes. 138 has become 140. 140. Is this going to be the very first time when I get the money? The Vanguard S&P is picking up. We're getting the stocks rising again now, and it's 140. I'll bring it back up again in a second. 6 minutes to go. Steve, your comments aren't counting. If you get blocked out, you have to use real words. Otherwise, you miss out. You're not going to... 144. Let's go back to it right now. The stocks are starting to rise. Tesla is still falling. Rivian is coming up now. 144. Rivian is coming up quick on the outside there. Virgin Galactic is now returning. Virgin Galactic is now lifting up again. There you go. It did not completely sell out today. Amazon is picking up as well. There we go. Twitter. Nvidia. Everything is 144. Meta is on fire. Up 0.63. Everything is now returning. That's much, much better. The main portfolio is up now. There we go. We're moving up again. Let me get back to the chart just in time for Zach's fundraiser. We're all making money. All right. 144 now. 5.5 minutes to go. 5.5 minutes to go. 144. Am I going to keep the money today? Am I going to keep the money? We've got 25 people playing along now. Here we go. Subscribe and ring the bell. We're about to give away a cash prize. 2 cash prizes today if we get to 359. Are we going to do it? Smash the like. 5 minutes to go. 24 people playing along. Looking good. Looking good. You can do it, guys. Come on. Everyone, here we go. We got Alex. We got Bill. We got we got Zach. We got Matthew. We got Mark. We got Beetle Sean. We got Steven. We got Steve playing along. Steve's not copying and pasting very much. Come on, guys. You can do it. There's, I think, 9. Rob McLean, 9. Rocketman, 10. There are 10 people playing along, which is about nearly the record. It's about a record. We're pretty much there. There's no reason why it shouldn't go up now. You've got 4.5 minutes to go. Nearly time up. 132. You just backed off a little bit. This will be the very, very first time we don't do a cash draw. We've done it every single time. I don't think for a second we're not going to do it. We've done it every single time. Is it going to happen? We've got 4 minutes to go, and it always goes in the last few minutes. So, is it going to go now? 23 people are watching. Is it going to come in? Oh, what's it's slowed down a little bit. I know what's happened. Everyone's going to go crazy the last 2 minutes. Dr. Nathan Smith has joined in. We've now got 11 people playing along. This is a record now. If everyone goes for it, if everyone goes now, copy and paste, fast as you can. We can do it. It'll fly up. All of a sudden, it'll fly up. 3.5 minutes to go. The stocks are rising. Everything is doing good. This is great. Our Ethereum is exploding now. We are up today. We are up on Ethereum. We are up on Bitcoin. Everything is now pumping. Bitcoin has gone up 5%. Right, everyone's going to go for the last minute. I can see it, but don't run out of time. If you run out of time, I get the money. 104. Come on. I want to give the money away. Let's go. I'm going to help a little bit as well. I'm going to help as well. There we go. I'm helping as well. Everyone is slowing down for the last minute. Peru's not here. There's 11 people playing, but you've all slowed down. You all want to go in the last minute, right? I can see that. 2.5 minutes to go. I've never seen it go so slow in the last couple of minutes. I think everyone's waiting for the last minute. That's a very, very dangerous tactic to play. I'm helping you now. Even though I want to keep the money, I am actually helping you. Alright? That's crazy. Why am I helping everybody give them money? 2 minutes to go. 104. 27 people watching now. This is a record. If everyone gets involved now, you win two cash prizes. We've got 500 Dogecoin on Monday. $1,000 in June. It's up to you guys. Everyone's got a copy and paste right now for the last 1 minute, 30 seconds. I am helping. I am getting involved. I can't help it. Look at me. I'm 120. It's moving. I'm posting 100 posts. I'm beating everybody. I'm beating everyone. There we go. 120. 1 minute to go. Here we go. Here we go. 154. It's moving. Everyone is waiting for the last minute. I cannot believe it. Everyone is waiting for the last minute. All right. And 40 seconds to go. 154. I can see everybody's waiting for the last minute. Everyone's waiting for the last minute. Everyone's refreshed their screens. 30 seconds to go. 192. It's now firing up in the last few seconds. Everybody's waiting and everyone's taking a really big gamble. That's a very risky thing to do. 192. Oh, what's going to happen now? Right. What's happening now? Oops. Where's the screen gone? Let me turn it around. We just changed screens. Let me bring that round. Let me bring that round. Okay. Let me change that. We've gone to a different screen. Let me check everything's okay. Let me change the camera. Change that to there. And change this screen here. Hang on a minute. We've lost the screen. Primary display. Not that one. There we go. 228. It's at 228. It popped up in the last couple of seconds. Now, the clock is now closed, but I am going to make sure that, refresh it, make sure it hasn't gone through, make sure that you weren't all behind. I'm going to give you the chance. 236. Is it going to go? I want to see 236. 236, because a few of you are behind. Is this the first day? It looks like we're not going to have the draw today. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I really wanted you to win the money. 234. The clock is finished, but it doesn't look like we're going to. It doesn't look like we got the draw today. Not everyone played along. I can't believe it. 202. No, it's dropped off. This is the very first time. The very first time. I don't know what's happened. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like 15 minutes of headache. It doesn't look like you've done it today. I can't believe it. Oh. Right. Everyone's a bit behind. I'm just waiting to see, because if it does do it, I want to give it to you, all right? If it does do it, I want to give it to you. But it does look like everybody, it's not happening today. 176. Right. So, what we're going to do, I've always thought about this. If one day it doesn't do it, yeah, everyone's behind. Look, we've got all these comments coming in late now. Everyone's behind the stream. Everyone's behind the stream. Everyone's behind the stream. So, yeah, okay. Getting harder every time. So, what we're going to do, because I want you guys to always win, what we're going to do, yeah, it's going down now. So, what we're going to do, we're going to change the rules now. We're going to change the rules now, because I want you to win every week, right? I want you to win every time. So, unfortunately, you didn't win today, so we can't do the draw for everyone. There's no cash prize today, unfortunately. So what we're going to do, because you are unable to do it, we're going to reset the chat record. So next Friday, we are going to take the chat record down again. All right? And what we're going to do, we're going to change it for 5 minutes. Google Analytics is not keeping up. It is. I can show you. Look, it's still nowhere near. No one did it. It was a lot quieter this week. So what we're going to do, because I want you to win, there's no mass draw today for everyone, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to reset the chat record, and we're going to take it down to 5 minutes for next Friday. So it'll be a 5-minute thing, not 15 minutes, and we'll reset the chat record. And we'll keep going and going and going until you lose, and then we reset it. All right? That way you can win it every time. All right? So today you don't win, but next week we reset it. And you have to keep beating it until you stop beating it, and then that week it won't happen, and then it goes back down to the beginning again. All right? Okay. But what we are going to do, though, is the draw for our members who did the 5 videos, because that's a separate draw. We have Ali, Mark, Matthew, Nudget, and Bill. And Zach. There you go, right? We have 6 members here. Right? We have 6 members here right now. So here we go. Zach, Ali, Mark, Matthew, Nudget, and Bill. Are you ready? Here we go. So we're going to do this raffle now. You've got to be here to win. This is for another $10 right now. So here we go. And we're going to do it right now. So here we go. This is another $10 because we got the We've got the big fundraiser in 20 minutes time, so we have to get finished. Here we go. So are you ready? Who is going to win? Everyone's name is there. Are you ready? Here we go. The winner is the $10, but you have to be here. Let's go. Are you in? The winner is Ali Isles. Ali, are you here? Ali Isles, are you in the house? We're going to give you 10 seconds. You just won $10. Is Ali in the house? I don't see Ali in the house. We'll count down. 10, 9, 8. Oh, you're here. I'm here. Congratulations. Ali is in the house. Congratulations to you. Big round of applause. Absolutely great. Yes, I'm in the house. Yes, Ali wins. Ali has just won. There we go. Ali, you win. You are the winner. Congratulations to you. You have won $10. So here we go. Ali, what we're going to do, stop the clock. Right, here we go. So Ali, what we're going to do now is I'm going to give you your money. Send it to you via Cash App, because we've been using Cash App all day long. $10, yes. Yes, indeed. I'm going to send him some money right now. Here we go. Going to give him free money. We got a $1,000 giveaway in June. We got 500 Dogecoin on Monday if we get to 3,000 likes. Okay, so here we go. Ali, going to send you $10 now. Ali, I'm going to pay Ali some money. Okay, so you ready? Watch me do it right now. This is how I do it. So I'm going to send Ali some free money right now. Here we go. $10. Pay. Ali. Cash. Oh, all Bitcoin. You want some Bitcoin? You want Bitcoin? I like that. All right, next. Ali, here comes your $10. Congratulations to you. Confirm payment to Ali Isles, $10. There he goes, and pay. Ali, congratulations. You've just won $10. There is your money in your account. Done. Fantastic. There we go. And that's how we're going to give away $1,000 as well. But what we're going to do now, is we're going to reset the chat rate, because that was the very first time that you've not won it. So we're going to reset the chat rate, and so a guarantee to win next Friday, and then it will keep going up and up and up until you lose it. And when you lose it, it goes back down again. And the day you lose it is the day you don't get the prize money. All right, and that's what we'll do. That way, I can give away money nearly every time. All right, that's the best way I can do it. All right, is that fair? I think that's fair. Right. Okay. Now then. What we're going to do, we're going to end the show right now. Right? Let's have a look at our subscribers. Are we any closer to the 3,000? Let's have a look. Let's go over and have a look. How many people are watching right now? 27 likes. Pretty good. Okay, here we go. We got 2,700. But we lost a subscriber. Somebody unsubscribed because they didn't like me giving money away. Well, that's up to them, innit? There you go. What can I do about that? Never mind. That happens all the time. Right, here we go. So what we're going to do now, we've come to the end of the show. It's Zach's big event. One of our members. If you are a silver member to our channel and you just pay a few bucks a month, you get all the perks, many perks. Plus, you can have a 20-minute event for a birthday, anniversary, any event whatsoever. Celebration of life, all kinds of stuff. Zach wanted a fundraiser for his friends and his friends over there in Uganda to help all those kids. All right, so this is what we're doing, and we're doing it in 15 minutes. We're going to get prepared for it right now. It's very, very exciting. It's our first live fundraiser. It's very, very special. This is the event. Let me show you right now. This is Zach. These are the villagers. Here is Zach, look. Thanks to the day trader. Look at this. Look at this, folks. There's Zach on the left-hand side. That's Zach right there. That's Zach right there, look. Look, thanks to the day trader. This is what we did the other day. We bought all these kids in this village books and pens. We're helping with water wells, clean water. We're helping with their education. We're helping with all kinds of stuff. And we are doing that today live in our show in 15 minutes. Okay? So, this is what we're about to do. We're going to end the show right now. You can donate for requests in 20 minutes. All right? In a 20-minute concert live in my show. So, you can donate through Cash App. If you've not yet got Cash App, get yourself the Cash App. I'm going to give you the referral for Cash App right now. Or you can do it through the Super Chat. Or you can do it through PayPal. All of that will be on the screen and I'll tell you how to do it. There is the Cash App. And this is the event. This is where we're going to be. So we're going to end the show right now. This is the Day Trader channel, where we are right now. Scroll down until you see my main music channel, the Martyn Lucas channel. There. Click on that. And there is our event, our fundraiser for Zach. It starts in 14 minutes from now. There's the countdown. I'm going to give everybody the link right now. I've got to go into I've got to get set. So there it is. There is the link. I'll post it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Go there right now. Get in there. And I'll be in there. This is my other YouTube channel. So I'm going to end this show and go straight over to the other channel. Get in there. And I will be there with you in just a few minutes from now. Okay? We're doing 20 minutes. Special requests. And we're going to raise money for Zach. It's going to go directly to Zach. And it's going to go directly to those kids, those people there in Uganda. And we're going to do our very, very best. I hope you'll all join me. It's in just 13 minutes from now. Okay? So there's the link. I'll post it one more time. I've got to end the show right now. And I hope you'll all join me there for our very, very special fundraiser for Zach. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Very much looking forward to it. And that's what we're going to do today. All right, let's have a quick last look at our stocks. Things are returning. And I'm so pleased because if it was a totally red day, it would be hard for everybody, right? But we are making things are starting to recover. We are getting some returns. Look, things are all moving their way back up again. Even our crypto is improving. Look at that, big time. All right. Okay, great. Let me end screen. Let me invite for the final time everyone to join us over on the main Martyn Lucas channel. We're about to do our special fundraiser for Zach. Share the video. Tell everybody where we are. Let's have a record number in the show. I'm looking forward to it. And I'll see you back in literally 12 minutes from now. Then I'll be back for the closing bell. And then we're done for the weekend. All right? All right. See you back in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other.